Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because today I am going to be reviewing the Mandalorian palette, the child baby Yoda. Look how cute he is. You guys, when I saw this palette on ColourPop, first of all, ColourPop is one of my favorite makeup brands, one of them. And they are so good. Like they are so affordable too, you guys. They make great formula. Like their pigmentation is on point. I love their formula. What my favorite products that they have is their Super Shock shadows. I love their Super Shock shadows and their lip oils too. This palette is so cute. And look, and this is a 9 pressed powder palette, 9 shades in here for $16 on the ColourPop website. But right now it's sold out, you guys. So just keep on checking it. I know they're gonna bring this palette back for sure. Hopefully, I really hope so. But just keep checking. It was $16, very affordable. Like you cannot beat that. I love affordable makeup. Amazing, especially with great quality. You know what I mean? So look at this palette, you guys. The cutest in the galaxy. He sure is. And look at the mirror. Oh, look, you can see me. But look at this colors. Look at this. Super cute. I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys so you can see before I do my makeup. But you guys, I am loving the greens in here. Like, especially because I have brown eyes, I feel like the green will pop out my eyes a little bit, bring my eyes out a little bit. But I love this palette. I knew, like, first of all, I love Star Wars. My husband got me into watching Star Wars because before, like when we first started dating, I was like, I don't really want to watch Star Wars. Like I wasn't into it. But when he got me into it, I watched the whole, like every single movie that has ever came out. Like Star Wars is just amazing. The story about it, like from the beginning to the end. Now, The Mandalorian, I have not seen it. I know it's on Disney Plus, so I really want to watch it, but I heard it was really good. So I probably will watch it. But you guys, this is the cutest packaging. Like ColourPop really did its thing when they did this, especially when it first launched. I was like, I gotta get it. Like I told my husband, I gotta get this because this is adorable packaging. But yes, you guys, so they basically tell you the names of the shadows on the back too, and amazing. So I can't wait to get started with this look. I kind of like went over it in my head of what I'm gonna do for you guys, so I'm really excited. So yes, before we get into it, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And yes, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I did the swatches on my arm. So first we're gonna go in with the Force, which is like a gold and pressed glitter. Such a pretty sparkling color, I love it. The next one is the Precious Cargo right here, which is also another pressed glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's another pressed glitter. We have Baby Face, which is a green, a lighter green here. We have Just Like a Tanuni right here. We have Droid Protocol, I think that's how you say that, Droid Protocol, which is like a maroon brown here, like a burgundy brown kind of. We have Little Frog, which is, I love this green. It has a little glitter. It's a matte, but it's like a glitter. It has like little specks of glitter in it, which is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here, we have Right Hand Mondo, which is really pretty. It's like a silver kind of shade. Right here we have Float Your Crib, which is like a darker green, which I really like. And then the last one, we have Sipping Soup, which is a pretty green, like a dark green. I love the swatches were great when I swatched them the first time. Amazing, you guys. I love it. So I'm gonna get started on my look. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I am going to go in with my SL Miss Glam E25 brush. I love this brush. Look at the sparkles. I love it. So I think the first shade that I'm going to do as a transition shade, I'm going to do Just Like a Tanuni, which is this brown color here, you guys. I love this. Just to start, ooh. And I'm just gonna take it into my eyelid here. I really love this palette too, you guys, because you can use this for Christmas. This is like a Christmas palette as well, just because of the shades that are in there. You have your greens, you have your burgundy browns, like just so pretty. I love it so much. And I was really intrigued by this palette, of how cute it was, just the packaging. And again too, I love the child. I love Baby Yoda. And people say the child, I mean, it is the child, but you know, I refer to him as Baby Yoda just because he's just a baby, cute little baby. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for the holidays. Me and my husband already put the Christmas tree up for our daughter. You guys, she plays with the Christmas tree so much, like, and we have a decent sized tree, so it's like she always moves it, and just, oh my goodness, like, I told my husband, I said, are we gonna have a tree by Christmas? Because she is like digging into the tree, and I'm like, Jada, because she's getting to that age where she's like, oh my goodness, she about to be in the terrible twos. And it's so crazy to watch her, because, you know, last year she was so little and she's a baby, so she really didn't, you know, she didn't know, you know, about the holidays or Christmas. So now she's like, she sees all the toys on the TV. She's like, oh, or she does, oh. So I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm just so excited for her to experience it, you know, even with the rough times that are going on right now with the pandemic. It just really is awesome to watch her just get so excited. So I'm really looking forward to it. You guys, these eyeshadows are so like soft and creamy. Like the pigmentation is amazing. I love it so much. So I think the next one I'm gonna go into, you guys, is Baby Face, which is this color right here, Baby Face. I'm so excited. So let's dig into there. And I am gonna go in with my LaRousse brush, just to blend in together. And I haven't really noticed any fallout. Like, I am so like excited about it. Like, I am really excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. I am loving this green. So I am just blending out the Baby Face green, you guys. And oh my gosh, it's turning out so good. I love it so much. Just in circles, just to get that blend in there. So I think the next shade I am going to go in is Float Your Crib. It's like an olive dark green. I'm gonna use it for my outer V here. And I'm gonna take my Luxie 243 brush. And I am just gonna take it into my outer V. Just kind of stamp it a little bit. Oh my god, that is so pretty. This float your crib, I was gonna say float your boat, but this shade right here reminds me of Christmas. Like, just the shade of it, like olive. I keep saying that. It's so pretty. And I'm just creating that V, you guys. And I don't want to darken it too much, but I am loving it so much. So guys, comment down below, like, what are you most excited about the holidays coming up? Like, what do you want? Like, what are you wishing for? And I am just excited to be with my daughter and my husband for the holidays. Like, I'm just really excited. I'm excited to see my daughter's face when she sees presents and just the love. Like, it's not even about presents. It's just seeing the smile on your loved ones' faces. Like, it's just so awesome to see that. And so yeah, I'm just really excited. You guys, this palette is awesome. Like, I am so impressed by this palette. The pigmentation is just on point. Like, look at how it stands out in my eyes. Like, wow, so pretty. Okay, you guys, so I did blend it in with the outer V. I love the Float Your Crib in the outer V section. Like, I love that of the eye. And so I think for the next shade that I'm gonna do on my lid, I'm gonna do the Force, which is this pressed glitter right here. And I'm just gonna take my finger. Look at this, you guys. Oh, love it. And I'm just gonna take it on my eyelid. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. And again, I'm not noticing any fallout. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. I'm gonna take it on the other side. You can tell, like, just the greens all together. It just, like, look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Okay, so I am going in with Float Your Crib for my lower lash line right now. It's like an olive green. I love it so much. Oh, my eyes are watering. So yes, so that is for my lower lash line. And then, you guys, I am going to take, for my inner corner, I'm going to do Precious Cargo, which is this shade right here. Super pretty. And I am going to go in with my You Spicy number 6 brush. Just going to take a little bit of it into my inner corner here. Just a little bit. Just to kind of brighten it. And you guys, I'm not experiencing any fallout whatsoever, which is really good. I love that so much. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Ah! Okay, so I am finished with the eye look, you guys. This is super cute. I am loving this palette. This palette was amazing. Is amazing. Love it so much. So I am going to let you know my thoughts about it, and I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and yes, I will be back. Okay, so this is my overall look. I am obsessed with this eye look, you guys. I love it so much. I am in love with the Mandalorian, the Child from ColourPop palette. I love it. I am obsessed with the colorscape in here. Like, you can make different looks with this palette. It is definitely a Christmas holiday palette. I cannot wait to play with it some more and do different looks. And you don't even necessarily have to do greens. You can do like different, like this row, you can do this row, you can do this row. It gives you different, you know, options. And you know, I personally love the greens. Like, you guys, amazing. Like, I cannot get enough. Super cute. And if you guys are wondering what's on my lips, it is Tab Cosmetics. I am super obsessed with this brand. I am wearing the lip liner and the lip gloss. Super cute. I thought it looked good with my eye makeup, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also to click that notification down below so you don't miss out on any of my new upcoming videos that I do post. You don't want to miss out, you guys. I have so much more coming your way, and I'm just super excited. So I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.